Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Monkey app on PC. So if you want to download it over your PC or laptop, it's really easy. You have to just go to Google, look for Monkey app, click on here. This is the official website of Monkey. And if you're here, it will ask you to just get it on Play Store because right now you can download it from there. But if you want to download the PC version, you can just, by the way, you don't need to download, you can just start using from the website. So here we will just go and click on sign in, and once you go and click on sign in, it will ask you to connect with your Google account. So here we will just go and click on Google account here, and you have to select any one of the email addresses. You can also log in by using your Apple account or a normal email address. And once you're done, you can just select here on the right side, you will get this option of solo or duo, right? So you can here, and by the way, for example, I want to go solo here. I can select my booth. For example, I am just looking for girls only. By the way, this is a, you have to pay a subscription if you want to just go with a one gender. And in the free version, it is only, it's by default selected free. I mean both. So here you have to select it, and you can just go and click on start video call. And this is here the history, the video calls we have did, and this is on beside, this is a chat if you want to chat with someone, and this is an account of your account, right? So here you can change each and everything. On the right side on the three menu bar, you will click here, you will get this account settings and everything, right? So it's really easy, and this is how you can get it. But if you want to download completely on your PC, so you have to go with an emulator, so you can just download a BlueStack, and it will be much more easier for you. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.